So let's take this Dollar Tree sign. I liked the size. I thought this would work well. It did have this little pop out on the front, which was kind of weird, but it's just kind of like glued on cardboard. So just peeled it right off. Look what was underneath of it. The same thing. So what I did is I printed out the image that we designed on cardstock. I thought that would hold up a little bit better, but you could probably do paper as well. And I just cut it with my paper cutter to get some straight edges. And we're just going to Mod Podge that right over. I think it's that with the thick cardstock and the dark colors, it shouldn't have any problem covering up what was on the existing sign. And I printed it just the right size. And so I just Mod Podge that down. I'm just using my brayer to kind of like smooth that out a little bit. And this was a really fun, easy dupe to make. I really like it. It's very patriotic. Love the colors. Very 4th of July. And then the sides need to kind of be painted. I kind of needed like a navy color. Don't really have a navy color, but we're going to try to maybe use some blue, mix some black in there. We'll make our own navy color because the only thing I really need to paint are the sides to kind of make them go with the front of that. And I will Mod Podge the top of that as well, but just going to go ahead and paint the brown sides of the sign just to kind of make it match in. And we have a really cute little Kirkland dupe using a sign from the Dollar Tree. I like using my printer. Sometimes I feel like I don't use it enough, but I always try to save my files like this so that I can share them with you in case you want to recreate. So Mod Podging now over the top. I did give it a little bit of time to dry, trying to get it on there with like no bubbles or anything like that. And I usually have pretty good luck with cardstock. So I just went over that with Mod Podge, gave it a good dry. It looks like there's a little bubbling there at the bottom, but it actually went on pretty flat. It's kind of an optical illusion. I do go in with Mod Podge in the opposite direction and give it another coat. And here it is, our little home of the Brave sign. I think it's so cute. What do you guys think about this cute little Kirkland's dupe? And I think we did a pretty good job of replicating this one. Again, I will share the printable below with you so you can recreate a really cute 4th of July sign that could go just about anywhere.